Hi, my name is Ned Patton. I've been building or rebuilding every house I've ever owned. This is number 6. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what you do with chip tiles when you're laying a floor, how to make sure the chip part of it doesn't show. If you have a chip tile, you're going to have to make some cuts. You keep the tile that's chipped as one of the ones that gets cut, and you cut off the piece that's chipped. That's what I always do. If there's a chipped corner on a tile and you got to cut a corner, just save that tile aside because you know you're going to have to cut a corner here pretty quick. And so, and this one has a chipped edge on it right there. So I'm going to bury this edge over towards the wall. That's how you can take care of a chip, especially if you're going to have baseboard over the top of it. If there's something else that covers up the chip part, then you just put that against a wall or in a corner where you can cover it up. See how it's completely gone. Grout out that corner, it's gone. There's the broken tile. And it broke off because I didn't have any mud underneath that piece right there. So, break it out. And it popped loose pretty easy.
Came up?
Yep, popped loose pretty easy. There we go. Popped right out of there. Okay, this goes in the trash. So it'll be a new tile going in there. Today we talked just a little bit about what you do when you have a chip tile when you're laying a floor and how to hide it and where to hide it so that you never see the chip.